Alright, one side done. So what I ended up doing is, because it's got this, those little, let's not do that. Here, I'll show you on this one. It's got this little fin bit that kind of caps into the CV drive axle. So what I did is I used a screwdriver, flathead, and I tapped around the outside in a circle constantly, and just did a tap, 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 real light. This is the part you will need. MD75526. Wow, my hands are shaky. So, this is the one. It was 19 bucks. And so, really, you know, there's all sorts of tools and stuff, specialty blah, but just be real careful. And I just did it with these two guys right here, because this guy doesn't have a sharpness to it. It's fairly blunt. And then this guy, just so I'm not tapping too hard, and away we go. I just got one more side to do, and you just kind of keep tapping until it stops moving in, you know. That's the way I figured it out, and it looks good. And I'll be going to the other side, doing the same thing, and then reassembly.